I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Addicts, and this is episode 39 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival's Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions and you will get a proper answer. We read a lot of those questions, pretty much all of them, and we take a select few of the funny, the weird, and the ones to dispel a myth, and we discuss them here for you. Today's topics are: why do they charge you for popcorn? Pool towels in the room? GPS on the ship? Giant beach tents? And how many rooms does my cabin steward have? All right, question one. This one, they needed help understanding why Carnival charges for popcorn but not ice cream. John's answer? Simply because of the mess, the huge mess, and the waste. So if you've ever been on Lido Deck during the movies and you look around, there's crap everywhere, kids flinging popcorn, throwing it at each other, having a food fight, or the one person with 4 bins of popcorn for one person. They eat half of a bin, leave the other 3 to be kicked and thrown around the deck. So simply put, for the mess and the waste. And not to mention, it's $3. Go to a movie theater. It's $20 for a popcorn probably the same size. I don't go to theaters, but I know they're expensive. Anyway, this is kind of a funny one. This person wondered why the pool towels are left in the room. Why don't they just check them out like they do at resorts and hotels? Their main concern was it would save much needed counter space. Huh? Counter space? You keep your towels on, they're on the chair or the couch. I'm confused. Anyway, they leave them in the stateroom because if you've ever been to a resort and you go to go to the pool to check out the towels, imagine that with 6,000 people on the boat, 3,000 people getting off, and they all want pool towels. It's going to take the day just to get off the boat for people to get pool towels. So they leave them in your room so it's nice and convenient. You can throw them in a backpack and walk off the boat. So there you go. This one, they're on the horizon and their friend, a first-time cruiser, wishes the boat had GPS so they can find their way around the ship. It's actually not a bad idea. You know, where am I? Boop. Oh, okay. And you can see where you are. John said they are actually looking at this. It's something they're thinking of because on some of the big boats, I mean, they're 1,000 feet long. What is that? A fifth of a mile. So you can get lost pretty easily. So yeah, they're actually looking at it so you can help find your way around the ship. One of those days. If you like cruising content, you like what you see, please like and subscribe. We would appreciate it. So this person asked if they can take their own collapsible, foldable beach tent to any of the beaches at ports Carnival goes to. The answer is yes. There's no restrictions at any of the places. So if you want one of those little pop-up beach tents or shade tents, it can be a little bit of a booger to carry it off the boat. They're not the lightest, but yeah, you can absolutely bring those on the boat. Just can't use it on the boat, obviously. It'd be parasailing. Last one, they're curious on average, how many rooms does your room steward, room attendant, whatever they call them, actually, how many are they responsible for? And I was like, this is a great question because, I mean, sometimes you see them all the way down the hallway and they're like, how are they doing that room when they just got out of mine? John says it does vary from ship to ship, but on average, between 25 and 30 rooms that cabin steward is responsible for. They normally have 1 or 2 assistants and the floor supervisor, which will also help with that. So that's a lot of rooms. So if you wonder why you come back at noon and you left at 8 and they haven't turned down your room, because there's 30 other rooms they have to do. Anyway, thanks for watching. Everybody take care.